Former government officials are railing against Antonio Trillanes IV, likening the former senator to a clown following his attempt to serve an alleged ICC warrant within the Senate halls. Legal experts are now calling for criminal charges against the private citizen for disrupting Senate proceedings. Almar Forzuelo reports.
2 nights have passed since Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa was placed under Senate custody following an alleged attempt by the National Bureau of Investigation or NBI to take him into custody. Yet, his supporters continue to maintain around-the-clock vigil outside the Senate. Last night, former Congressman Mike Defensor arrived at the Senate together with Congressman Kiko Barzaga to visit Senator Bato de la Rosa. According to Congressman Barzaga, the senator remains in high spirits.
Very good, very good. Good mood naman and very high spirit.
Former Presidential Anti-Corruption Commission or PACC Chairman Attorney Manuelito Luna also arrived at the Senate. He also expressed his sentiments regarding the current administration, saying that all of these alleged violations of the law happened under the Marcos Jr. administration.
All of this under the administration of President Marcos Jr. So, Mr. President, anong nangyayari sa inyo? Are you losing control over your men? Yun ang yung nagkukuha naming impression dito eh.
Congressman Barzaga questioned the incident where Trillanes allegedly acted like an ICC official after personally serving a supposed warrant of arrest against De La Rosa inside the Senate during an active Senate session.
It's very damaging, pero hindi din natin na-flip what's his relation with the ICC because giving the warrant to Trillanes and having a private citizen serve the warrant during a Senate session.
Attorney Luna was even more blunt, likening Trillanes to a clown.
Alam mo, he appeared to be like a clown to me. He has no enforcement power. Definitely, he's a civilian. Anong ginagawa niya? Dinidisplay niya yung supposedly warrant. To me, hindi pa nga sigurado tayo na warrant yun eh. It may be spurious. So, epal na epal itong si Trillanes.
Because of what Trillanes allegedly did, which Luna described as a violation against the law and the Senate, he said charges should be filed against him.
He is not a member of the NBI. Neither he is a law enforcer. Anong ginagawa niya sa Senado? Ang sabi niya, ito yung warrant, arestuin nila si Senator Bato. Yon pa lang, pwede siyang imbestigahan ng Senado for contempt and also for disturbance of the session of the Senate.
For now, the public continues to wait for the government's next move on how authorities intend to arrest Senator Bato, while more supporters of Senator De La Rosa continue to gather outside the Senate. For God and my beloved Philippines, Almar Forzuelo, SMNI News.